How to declare and add items to an array in Python? I'm trying to add items to an array in Python. I run. Then, I try to add something to this array by doing. There doesn't seem to be a .append method for this. How do I add items to an array?
Represents an empty dictionary, not an array/list. For lists or arrays, you need to initialize an empty list. Do this. Or to add elements to the list, use append. To extend the list to include the elements from another list, use extend. To remove an element from a list, use remove. Dictionaries represent a collection of key/value pairs, also known as an associative array or a map. To initialize an empty dictionary, use or dict. Dictionaries have keys and values. To extend a dictionary with the contents of another dictionary, you may use the update method. To remove a value from a dictionary.
If you do it this way, you are making a dictionary, not an array. If you need an array, which is called a list in Python, you declare it like this. Then you can add items like this.
Arrays, called list in Python, use the notation is for dict, also called hash tables, associated arrays, etc. in other languages, so you won't have append for a dict. If you actually want an array, list, use
Just for sake of completion, you can also do this. If it's a list of strings, this will also work.
In some languages like Java, you define an array using curly braces as following, but in Python it has a different meaning. Java. However, in Python, curly braces are used to define dictionaries, which needs a key column value assignment as A column 1, B column 2. To actually define an array, which is actually called list in Python, you can do Python or other examples like
Information official, listen to the